Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly add the Rakuten extension to your Safari browser. If you're a savvy shopper, Rakuten is a game changer. It helps you earn cash back on your online purchases with just a few clicks. This whole process is straightforward and should only take a couple of minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of Safari on your Mac or iOS device. If it's not up to date, head to the App Store or System Preferences to update it. Once that's sorted, open up Safari and click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select Safari Extensions. This will take you to the dedicated extensions gallery. Now, in the search bar at the top of the page, type in Rakuten and hit Enter. You should see the official Rakuten extension pop up as one of the results. Click on it to view more details. Take a quick look at the description, ratings, and reviews to confirm it's the right one. It's usually from the developer eBates Performance Marketing, Inc. Once you're ready, hit the Get or Install button. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password for verification, so go ahead and do that. Safari will handle the download and installation automatically. After it's installed, you'll see a new icon in your Safari toolbar. That's Rakuten ready to go. To make sure it's working, try visiting a supported shopping site like Amazon or Walmart. The Rakuten icon should light up, indicating cashback opportunities. If you run into any issues, double-check your Safari settings or restart the browser. And there you have it. You're all set to start saving with Rakuten. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping, everyone!